Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states that a woman entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, men took away your ahadith. They have the privilege of listening to your sayings. So you yourself may fix a day for us on which we should visit you, and you may teach us what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has taught you." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "You should assemble on such and such day." So they flocked together, and Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came to them and taught them what Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had taught him. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "There is no woman amongst you whose 3 children preceded her, predeceased, but there will be a barrier against hell for her." A woman submitted, "And what about 2, 2, 2?" Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "And even 2 and 2 and 2." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 6642.